Welcome. Today, the spotlight is on how to change your chat wallpaper from files on the Telegram app for PC with the new update. Personalizing your chats with your favorite wallpapers is super straightforward, and I'll walk you through every step. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the top of the page and click on the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu icon. Clicking this will open a sidebar with several options. Next, from this sidebar, click on Settings to head into the app's configuration area. Inside Settings, find and select Chat Settings. This section handles your chat appearance, including wallpaper options. Now, you'll see several options for customizing your chats, but the step you want is to click on Choose from File. This lets you select any image saved on your computer to use as your Telegram chat wallpaper. A File Explorer window will pop up. Browse through your folders, find the perfect photo or image you want to set as your chat background, and click Open to confirm your choice. After selecting your image, Telegram will give you an option to preview it. If everything looks good, click Apply to finalize setting your chosen wallpaper. And just like that, your Telegram chats on PC will have a fresh, new background that reflects your style. Changing your chat wallpaper this way is an excellent way to keep your conversations visually appealing and uniquely yours. Enjoy customizing your Telegram experience. Remember, these steps work with the latest updates on the Telegram app for PC, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable customization process. Thanks for watching.